Thank you so much. So, as you have seen with your naked eyes, what do you want to say about this incident?
Oh, this is a very bad situation we have come across. In fact, it has come to my notice that ever since this village was built, nothing of such has happened. And in fact, at this time, most of the times it gets drowned and it gets to the level of this, and it hasn't come into the classroom. But for now, the rain has taken everything across the school, and even at the library, the books and all the materials we are having there. In fact, they are all gone. And this is the situation we are finding ourselves. The whole of this classroom is full of water, and because of this, we are unable to teach for today. And I even can't tell that this thing is going off by the close of the week, and because of this, we will not be able to come to school at all for the whole of this week. So, if we are to get to stakeholders and appeal to them, we are telling you, everybody across that, in fact, come to our aid. Whatever the little you have that you can help the Nzulezo community. The building itself is getting down, and because of this, the little rain that comes, it gets the whole place full. So whatever the help you can help us, be it money, with stationaries, our computers, and whatsoever you can help, the little that you have, come to our aid, and let's see how best education can help the community.